This video is demonstrating the 8 rifle corrections. First rifle correction is butt up, butt down, butt left, butt right, butt in, butt out, can't right, can't left. Those are the rifle corrections that you should use to correct rifles if the rifles are not in proper order. Now, Cadet is going to do a wrong rifle movement that is not the proper right shoulder arms, and I'm going to correct him using the 8 rifle corrections. Assume a wrong rifle position. Butt in. Now the Cadet is corrected, and he can assume the correct right shoulder arms.